Hello and welcome to the fourth tutorial in the Android Studio FTC programming series for Nova Robotics. And what we're going to do in this one is a bit different. We're not learning new styles of programming. I'm going to show you how to actually run these because you want to make sure that you can put it on your phone and it works, and then you actually see what your work has done and what it so it's just very It's very satisfactory to see your code work and move the robot in the way that you wanted it to move. And so what you need to do is for the program to show up. So like on your controller phone, there's a little drop-down menu where it has a list of programs that you have on your phone. And so for your new program to show up, you need to tell it that I want this program to show up on my list of programs. Because if you had every single program here, like class, show up, it would be filled with jumbles. Like I probably have like 50 programs here. I don't want all of those, and I don't want to sift through all those. So luckily, there's a special class in the OpModes package called FTC OpMode Register. So let's open that. What this does is, there's a bunch of code. I've commented out a lot of it, so it doesn't do anything. And then there's some important lines here at the bottom. And you can kind of see the structure already. So what's happening is there's a class called a manager, and this manages our programs for us. And it puts it in a nice list and shows us when we are choosing our programs. So all you have to do to add your new program is start a new line and then type in manager.register, and then what you put in these quotes is what's going to show up on the phone. It can be anything you want, but again, as I was talking about with having good variable names, you want to have recognizable names for your program. So I usually just put in the name of the class because I usually give the classes a good name too. So let's say I want to put on the Teleup tutorial 1 program. Alright, and then you can put a comma, and the comma is like a indication that this is the next parameter for the register function. And then you want to put the name of the actual program. And so I'm going to do Teleup tutorial 1 dot class. And the dot class just means that is the actual class that's running. So as you can see here, it's a class. The actual file is a .java file, and the class is within the file. And so you want to specify what class it is. If you put .java, it won't work. You need the class. And so if I hit the little go button, so if I plug my phone in, hit the go button, and put the program on the phone, this will show up when we connect it with the controller phone. And then you just do the same thing with the autonomous. So manager.register autonomous tutorial 1, and then you type in autonomous tutorial 1 dot class. And now I'll have on my controller phone, I'll have Teleup, mountain red short, forward auto, delay forward auto, Teleup tutorial 1, and autonomous tutorial 1. So you can choose it and run it with our controller phones, and you can see what the program's actually doing and see it working. So yeah, that's all you need. Some people forget they need to do this, and you wonder, why isn't my program showing up? I wrote my program and it's not showing up on the phone. Well, you just need to add it to the register so the manager knows what to do with it. So yep, that's it for this tutorial, and stay tuned for the next one, and we'll get more into depth with writing more programs.